YouTube family. This is Wenhui, the professional makeup artist, and I've been in this field for about 20 years, even though I'm 19, see, expert. Okay, so today we're gonna be transforming this into okay, so we're gonna be doing a drag queen makeup look, and even though you may think, oh my god, the makeup's gonna be so sick, well, that's the look you're going for if you want to look glam and fabulous. So let's get started. So as you can see from the person here that I'm doing on, she has little eyebrows. That's the look you're going for, because from drag makeup, you don't need your real eyebrows. You draw them on. So basically, the highlight for drag makeup is to have a lot of foundation. Okay, so I'm using this IOP, okay, Matte 23, which is a really good shade for her skin, as you can see here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze a lot, and this amount. Okay, so what you want to do is just to start, and the lighter it is, the better. Because for drag makeup, you don't need your real skin. But the thing is, you want to make yourself look like a fake person. If you look real, you're doing the wrong thing. So next, yes, great dab. Hey, can you warn me? I'm so sorry. I will warn you. You just like slapped me with your stupid cushion. Yes. See the difference? That's the point.
By the way, my name is Annie.
Yeah. Maybe while putting on this, you can like tell a little backstory on any person. Okay, maybe sorry. So before anything, like the original lip color has to be gone. So, oi! Oh my god, I can see my reflection! I thought your eyes are...
You look very bloodshot.
Bloodshot. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is put another layer of foundation. Okay, because you know you can't have real looking skin, right? Okay, so next we're done with the base, and now we are gonna move on to concealing. Oh no, the hair. Sorry.
Concealing what?
Concealing the imperfections that make you look human. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for this look for the hair is like this, okay? You have the fringe, you just roll it up with the roller and clip it on while you're doing your makeup. So next I'm gonna use the Sand Tip Concealer, and it's Cover Perfection because that's what we're gonna need. So for this, we're gonna have to apply a generous amount of concealer. Oh, I think it drops off on your... It's not enough. And also you want to conceal those eyebrows, because as I said, if you're drag, you don't need your real eyebrows. I'm sorry. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna use a professional makeup sponge and blend all that in. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Oh, so the eyebrows are still not disappearing, so we're gonna put a bit more. Just put as much as you need. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, and you're done! Look! A beautiful face! Oh. Let me see. Okay, so now we're gonna do some contouring. So contouring is really...
Can I take out the WI sticker? It's annoying.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. So for this look, what you're gonna do is for the contouring to be really strong. Okay, so for the really strong look, okay, so I'm gonna use this Style Y. This thing only costed me 1,000 won, which approximately is $1.20. So we're gonna use this brush. Yes, and we're gonna take a generous amount, like so. Okay, and usually like professional people tap it on their hands, but you need the excess. So what you're gonna do is, you see this line of the mouth, you're gonna have to draw it like this. Okay, see that? That's the contour line. Okay, You have to make sure that it's there. Yeah. This is the contouring line. And this is where I'm gonna start contouring up. This is like, you know, just to make the lines defined. And it's kind of caked with foundation. I'm gonna start using my hands, which I washed. Don't use dirty hands. Okay, so here. For this contouring look, you want to go like this down from here to here. Okay, so like this, but it's not enough. You have to put a bit more. Blend it in, if not you look ridiculous.
Oh, I don't look ridiculous now.
No, you look like a beauty. That's what you look like.
Like a beauty.
Trixie Mattel, the drag queen's makeup, she describes her nose as a white worm in the chocolate pudding. So you see this nose is gonna be gone. So what you're gonna do is just so you're gonna leave this tiny section of the nose and the rest are gonna conceal. Okay? Yeah, I know she may look a little, you know, insane, but if you're not insane, you're not good at makeup. Okay? And yeah. And also you wanna conceal here, you wanna contour here so that your face looks smaller. So just go. This is great. We're off to a great start. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the blush first. So for this look, the blush is really important because that's what Trixie Mattel her specialty is. So for this look, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this. Okay, so we're gonna use this brush. So we wanna swivel, okay, so that it has a lot. Look, see, it has a lot on it, right? Okay, and then go. Okay, the more blush, the better. And then right after this, you're gonna do the highlighting. Okay, so the highlighting. So this we're gonna use this highlighter by Benefit, a very prestigious makeup brand. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze out this amount of highlighter, and I'm gonna use the brush. Okay,
My God.
Okay, the brush that I use to contour.
Oh, you use a brush?
Whatever. Okay, to go all the way with the nose. And the tip is for drag queen makeup to use a lot of everything. So you see all of this is gonna go on the nose, the nose bridge only. Yeah, looking beautiful already. Okay, so next we're gonna start on the eyeliner. Okay, so we're gonna use the liquid eyeliner by Oh My Line by Etude House, the cheapest one there, but it's okay. So, what you're gonna do for Trixie Mattel?
Oh, my hair.
Oh, for Trixie Mattel, her eyeliner is really geometrical, like a triangle. So we're gonna go like this. So for this, you might be wondering, how it's like over the eyebrows. Then where do the eyebrows go? Well, the eyebrows go here at the hairline. Okay, so what we're gonna do is like, you know, extend this up because you wanna look like you have big eyes.
My dream come true.
Yeah. This is not it, never mind. Okay, so this is the shade we're gonna go for, and then now we're gonna fill it in.
Great. Just when I wear it.
gonna use this and you're gonna fill in everything. Wow, beautiful! Oh god, this is the best view I've ever seen in my life. Yes! And we're done with the eyeliner! So now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. And for this look, we are going for a purple look. So the purple is gonna go up to here, okay? So as I said just now, swivel. Because that's what you want. Excess on the face. And you wanna have like, you wanna fill it here first. Okay? Because this is where the eyelid is supposed to be.
Oh my god!
I didn't.
Ah,
so sorry.
Sharp. Like
Sorry. Okay, so you're gonna take a lighter purple. Okay, you're gonna apply it here. Any depressants? You are one beautiful woman.
The more I see it, the more I don't understand.
Right, so this is the top of the eyes, and now we're gonna fill in the bottom eye. For this, you're gonna take a bit of white and apply it here. Because it's gonna be where the eyes are as. Okay, so and then
You really look like a Pokemon.
and then you're gonna extend it down. So So next, the most important step of drag, okay, false eyelashes.
My style.
This is the false eyelashes we're gonna use. Okay, it has even jewels on it.
Please share your thoughts.
So far I haven't really seen it yet. All I know is that I feel heavy. It feels very heavy.
Gonna apply it on the lash line. Right, to dry a little, and then you're gonna stick it on. Oh, what beautiful, beautiful eyes! Oh. Okay, I'll just fill it in here. Thanks. Okay, and then last use this too cool for school. So this is the eyebrow shape that everyone wants, and you're gonna do soft strokes. Okay, like so that it looks like real eyebrow.
Wow, I feel beautiful already. Every time I'm in drag, I feel more confidence.
Stop, you're not really slow. You're Trixie Mattel. Oh, you're any depressant. So.
Who's kind of like really slow.
And yeah, just
I feel most confident when I'm walking down Orchard Road in my gel makeup. Yeah.
Oh, she looks fabulous.
Oh, great.
Okay, and now I think the look is done.
Really? I put my glasses here.
Let me walk, right? Hold on. Oh!
You look like a bird.
So she's gonna do some walking. And it isn't you any depressant. Oh, beautiful. Oh, the biggest fan.
birthday, Jung! Happy 19th birthday! So, I hope we've learned something from our makeup tutorial. And you know, it's a few days to Korea from now. And you know, we've been saying this since we were in P6 and when this didn't even exist.
Hey.
Oh, times were easier back then. But anyway, so you see, the dream is finally coming true. And how long have I known you for? How long?
I'll be on you.
7 years?
No, P5 right?
B6. 8 Oh my god, so I've actually known you for like half a life? Wait, 8 times? No, 8 times 2 is not 15. Yeah, I know you for quite a lot of my life. Huh? So yeah.
You look really scared.
Yeah, you really like Miranda saying. So yes, happy birthday, Jung. I love you.